In the world of global tech finance, few names command attention quite like SoftBank Group. With its bold moves and headline-grabbing investments, SoftBank has become a symbol of ambition and risk-taking in the technology sector. Under the visionary leadership of Masayoshi Son, SoftBank was once best known for its massive, game-changing stake in Alibaba. That era, which defined a generation of tech investing, has now come to a close, marking the end of one chapter and the beginning of another. Today, SoftBank's future is tied to a new, even bolder bet: artificial intelligence. The company is shifting its focus from e-commerce giants to the next frontier of technology, betting that AI will transform every industry it touches. SoftBank has pivoted hard, investing tens of billions in OpenAI, the innovative force behind ChatGPT and other groundbreaking AI tools. This move signals a deep belief in the power and potential of artificial intelligence to reshape the world. But this isn't just another investment for SoftBank, it's a total reinvention of its mission and identity. The company is rebranding itself as a leader in the AI revolution, determined to be at the forefront of this technological wave. Now, SoftBank aims to become a central pillar in the global AI ecosystem. Its share price rises and falls with every major OpenAI headline, reflecting just how closely its fate is tied to the future of artificial intelligence. Masayoshi Son's vision is clear. He wants to make Japan a global hub for AI innovation, with SoftBank and OpenAI at the very center of this transformation, driving progress and attracting talent from around the world. In this video, we'll break down the risks, rewards, and the fascinating history behind this high-stakes move. We'll explore what's at stake for SoftBank, its investors, and the broader tech industry. Is this the dawn of the next great tech revolution, or could it be just another bubble waiting to burst? The stakes have never been higher. The outcome remains uncertain, but one thing is clear. The impact of SoftBank's AI pivot will be felt across the globe, influencing markets, industries, and the future of technology itself. For SoftBank, this is a defining moment, a crossroads that could reshape not just the company, but the very future of technology as we know it. SoftBank's commitment to OpenAI is staggering, both in scale and in vision. The Japanese conglomerate, known for its bold bets on technology, has set its sights on what could be the defining company of the AI era. It all began in April 2024, when SoftBank led a massive $40 billion funding round, valuing OpenAI at an eye-watering $300 billion. This move sent shockwaves through the tech and investment worlds, signaling that SoftBank was ready to double down on artificial intelligence. By October, SoftBank had joined a powerful consortium, purchasing $6.6 billion in OpenAI shares directly from employees, at a new, even loftier $500 billion valuation. The numbers were climbing fast, and so was the excitement. The pace was dizzying, but SoftBank's strategy was unmistakable: secure a major stake in what it believes could be the most transformative company of the 21st century, and do it before the rest of the world catches up. The final piece of the puzzle came in October 2025, a staggering $22.5 billion investment, as part of a $41 billion round. This brought SoftBank's total commitment to an unprecedented $30 billion, making it one of the largest single bets in tech history. But there's a catch. SoftBank's full investment hinges on OpenAI restructuring itself to prepare for an eventual IPO, a move that would open the doors to public markets and new investors. If OpenAI doesn't go public, SoftBank's stake is capped at $20 billion, limiting its upside, but also managing its risk in this high-stakes game. This isn't just about visionary zeal, it's also about sophisticated financial engineering. SoftBank is ensuring it has a clear path to exit and public market validation, protecting its investment while aiming for massive returns. In this way, SoftBank is shaping OpenAI's future, not just funding it. Its influence extends beyond capital, helping steer the company's direction and ambitions. The deal is a blend of ambition and pragmatism, tying SoftBank's fate to OpenAI's success and future growth in a rapidly evolving industry. It's a high-stakes partnership, with Wall Street and the entire tech world watching closely to see if this bold wager will pay off. The market's response to SoftBank's AI pivot has been electric. As billions flowed into OpenAI, SoftBank's stock price soared, quadrupling from April 2024 to October 2025. Investors now see SoftBank as the premier way to bet on AI's future. Analysts shifted focus from e-commerce to AI, repeatedly raising price targets. but with rapid gains came volatility. After peaking, shares pulled back ahead of earnings. Now SoftBank's fortunes are tied to every OpenAI development, good or bad. The stock is a barometer for AI sentiment, reflecting both euphoria and anxiety. Early investors have seen huge gains, but the recent dip is a warning. The market's faith in SoftBank is strong, but fragile. The question: can these gains last, or will the hype fade? To grasp SoftBank's OpenAI gamble, look to its past. The Vision Funds. Launched in 2017 and 2019, they raised $170 billion to back tech unicorns. The strategy floods startups with capital to dominate markets. Results were mixed. For every win, there were costly flops, most notably, WeWork. The Vision Funds have barely broken even, casting a long shadow. Critics see history repeating big bets, sky-high valuations, and faith in vision over fundamentals. The risk: SoftBank is overextending on a company still posting losses. Supporters argue AI is different, a foundational technology, not a fad. For SoftBank, the Vision Fund's lessons are fuel for even bolder bets. This time they believe they've found the true game-changer in OpenAI. OpenAI's $500 billion valuation has ignited debate. Is this an AI bubble? Critics say the numbers are irrational, driven by hype and FOMO, not fundamentals. Some warn of a circular AI economy. SoftBank funds OpenAI, then becomes its main customer, inflating demand and valuation. The risk valuations become detached from real market adoption, setting up a fragile structure. Defenders counter that AI is different from the dot-com era. OpenAI has real products and millions of users. The potential for AI to transform industries is vast, making traditional models obsolete. For SoftBank, the bigger risk may be missing out on the next technological revolution. The stakes: either a rational bet on the future or a spectacular bubble waiting to burst. Masayoshi Son's vision stretches far beyond the boundaries of today's artificial intelligence. He's making a bold bet on the next frontier, artificial superintelligence, or ASI. This is not just an incremental step, but a leap into a future where machines could think, reason, and innovate at levels far surpassing any human mind. ASI would not only match but exceed human intelligence in every conceivable way, from creativity to problem-solving. Son is convinced that this breakthrough is not centuries away, but potentially within our grasp in the coming years. His ambition is clear: to transform SoftBank into the world's leading ASI platform provider within the next decade, setting the pace for global innovation. For Son, this mission is about much more than profit. It's about building a lasting legacy, fueling national pride, and redefining Japan's place as a global technology powerhouse. He envisions ASI as the ultimate tool to tackle humanity's greatest challenges, whether it's eradicating disease, reversing climate change, or solving problems we haven't even imagined yet. By forging partnerships with pioneers like OpenAI, Son hopes to propel Japan to the forefront of the coming AI revolution, ensuring the country leads rather than follows. Yet this vision comes with enormous risk. The timeline for ASI is uncertain, and its commercial potential remains untested. No one can predict exactly when or if these breakthroughs will arrive. Critics argue that chasing such an ambitious and distant goal could distract SoftBank from building a stable, sustainable business in the present, raising questions about priorities and strategy. The dream is undeniably bold, but the path forward is shrouded in uncertainty, with many obstacles and unknowns ahead. Ultimately, SoftBank's success will depend on its ability to turn this sweeping vision into tangible products, real-world solutions, and sustainable profits. For SoftBank and Masayoshi Son, it's a monumental gamble, one that could redefine the future of intelligence itself, and perhaps the fate of humanity. Son's AI ambitions are taking shape through SBOAI Japan GK, a joint venture with OpenAI launched in November 2025. This partnership is SoftBank's vehicle to bring advanced AI to Japan, backed by $3 billion a year. The flagship Crystal Intelligence, an enterprise AI system tailored for Japanese businesses. Launching in 2026, SoftBank will be the first major customer, integrating Crystal across its group companies. This serves as both a test case and a response to critics of the circular economy. If Crystal delivers real gains, It could spark nationwide adoption. But the project faces delays and the challenge of adapting AI to Japan's unique market. Success will hinge on execution and convincing cautious Japanese corporations to embrace radical change. The joint venture's fate will signal whether SoftBank's AI bet can deliver real-world results. SoftBank's AI pivot has split investors. Retail investors are all in, drawn by the promise of exponential returns and Sun's bold vision. For them, volatility is part of the thrill, a chance for rapid gains. Institutional investors, however, are wary. They remember the vision fund's stumbles and demand hard evidence of profitability. Many are waiting for proof that OpenAI can justify its valuation and deliver sustainable profits. This divide creates a fragile dynamic. Retail enthusiasm drives the stock, but long-term stability depends on winning over institutions. The question: can SoftBank turn hype into lasting value? The answer will shape the company's future and the AI market itself. As 2025 ends, SoftBank's OpenAI bet is more than an investment. It's a defining gamble for Masayoshi Son and global tech. The rewards could be historic: a central role in the AI era, a revitalized Japan, and massive financial returns. But the risks are just as great. Echoes of past failures, fears of an AI bubble, and the challenge of turning vision into reality. SoftBank isn't just riding the AI wave, it's helping create it. Success depends on OpenAI's path to profitability, the joint venture's execution, and the realization of ASI. For investors, SoftBank is a high-risk, high-reward play on the future. The debate between believers and skeptics drives the stock's wild ride. Today's earnings report won't settle the question. In the end, SoftBank's all-in wager on OpenAI will be remembered as one of the boldest corporate bets ever. Its outcome will echo through tech and finance for years to come.